So today we're gonna cut your hair. So let's go. Okay, so what did I do over the summer that was super transformative for me?
Your hair.
What did I do to my hair?
Cut it.
Why did I cut my hair?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You just did.
I just did. And then what happened after that? What did that do for you?
It inspired me.
It inspired you. Big words, baby. Who are we raising? What did it inspire you to do?
Cut mine.
You want to cut your hair? Why you want to cut your hair?
It's too long.
Why are you about to cry? Why are you so emotional? You're just like your mama. Why are you so emotional?
I don't know.
It got too long. It's a bit heavy. You don't have to cry. We're having a normal conversation. I mean, it's okay to cry. It's fine. So you want to cut it because it just is a little bit long? And you wrote me this extensive list. Should we look at this list? Oh, Lord. Mind you, I asked you to spend a weekend with me, and you wrote me a list to cut. Reasons why I should cut my hair. It's getting too long in general, and it needs to trim. It's becoming a lot to wash and maintain. You wash your hair, Lee? Who washes your hair? Oh, okay. Just making sure we're on the same page. I've had it for around 6 years, and it's old. What does that mean? How is it old? Roy, memories? What memories do you have about your hair? I can do more hairstyles, and they actually would look cute on me. Your hair looks cute right now.
No, it looks crazy.
I want a change in hair, and I just feel like it's the same thing, and it's boring. I'm ready, and I feel like I won't regret it in a while. I love that you won't regret. Do you remember when you first asked me for locks? What did I do to make sure you were ready?
I don't know.
I made you get braids. Do you remember that?
No.
You don't remember that? So I made you get braids for 2 weeks. And I said, okay, if you keep the braids in for 2 weeks, that means you're ready. And you did, and you were ready. And why did you get locks in the first place? You don't like combing your hair, Alethia. You still don't like combing your hair. It's getting heavier. I feel like you said you were repeating the same thing at this point. It's getting heavier when being washed, and it's a lot to hold up. You're not even holding your hair when it's washing. I don't want it touching my butt. I don't want them to break off my head. Bro, I get headaches when my hair is up. They get in the way when I'm cheering. They make my swim caps look weird when I wear them. I still want my locks. I just want them shorter. They're uneven, and there's short ones and long ones, so it looks uneven on my head. I can last longer before wash days instead of going insane. First of all, you are dramatic like your mother. But the good news is, as always, like I always tell you, hair is just what? It's just hair. It grows back. So today, we're gonna cut your hair. So, let's go. Are you sure this is what you want? There's no turning back. There's no turning back. Y'all gonna see this before it hit YouTube. Should we make them see before it is YouTube, or you want them to wait for YouTube?
They can see.
Oh, they can see. She wants to share with y'all. So are you ready? You sure? I'm not gonna cry. Kristen, do not cry. Hey, don't put me in. Do not cry. And please tell the people you're crying happy tears, because people don't know you, that you cry for everything, just like your mama. So I don't want them to think you're sad or anything. So in your own words, what does this mean to you to cut your locks right now?
I'm really happy.
You're really happy. So 6 years of growth, y'all. It's technically kind of really down to your booty. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna give you a rough cut, and then when we do your wash, I'll cut it even. Is that good?
Okay.
So tell me where you want it to be cut at. What length?
Like right here.
So shoulder length?
Yeah, like right here. Like right above my shoulder.
You gotta keep your head straight. So you want it touching your shoulder?
Like right above.
Because remember, you still need to do styles.
I know.
Okay. There's no going back. Oh, gosh. Snap, 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 snap. All right, where are we? So I'm just gonna do this informal. You sure? I'm gonna cry for you. Make sure your head is straight. You good? How did that feel?
Weird.
Weird? Keep your head straight.
Oh my gosh. It's my hair.
It's just here. And for the professionals watching this, we're not doing a professional cut. Because it's just here. It's gonna grow back. That's a lot of hair. Does it feel light yet?
I feel bald.
You feel bald? This is what you want, girl. There's no going back, no. This one wasn't taken out yet.
Oh yeah, you didn't take that one out.
That's how I felt. Real bald. This is the last one. I'm gonna let you cut one. It's so funny because they're curly still. All right, you're gonna cut the last one. So you're gonna cut it to this slit.
Ooh, it's so tough.
No, you did it the wrong way. That's why. Got it. Woo! You look bald. Let's see. Oh my God, it's so short back here. I'm gonna give you a little cute style. How you feel?
Good.
Besides ball. Besides ball, how do you feel?
I'm really happy.
You're really happy? Aww. That's good. That was a pretty gal. That's it. No going back. That was fast. That was 6 years of your life cut down. Alright, fam, later.
Oh my gosh. Really? That's.
It looks like cool. I like it. Once the curl drops, it'll. Yeah. That's what I was trying to tell you to take out your hair, man. So cute. Hey, fam. I know you weren't expecting that. Again, Alethia was asking for this cut for a few months, and you know, as always, when she started her lock journey 6 years ago, she was she was a baby to me. And I was like, you can't make this decision. My son already had locks because, he's a boy. If he didn't want it, we can cut it. But for her, being that she was a girl, I wanted to make sure that she was positive this is something she wanted. So we waited. We had her get braids. She was like, I'm still doing it. Alethia's always been headstrong, super sure of what she wants, confident and positive about all her life decisions from a baby. And so I knew if she sent me a note with 100 reasons why she wanted to cut her locks, that's what mommy was gonna do. And like she said, it was inspired from me cutting my locks and starting over, and it's here. I always tell you guys that, and I want you guys to know that it's like locks. She doesn't want to get rid of her locks. She just wanted to trim it so she can maintain it better on a day-to-day basis. It was almost at her butt. It's heavy. She's a smaller frame. And so I'm excited to see her locks continue to grow. And I'm glad I got this special moment with my baby. And it's something that I'll always remember. And we're not gonna cry, so cut.